This is where I got rear-ended here. It just bent the very back deal and needs a little welding work, and it bent my bed up just a hair where it's bolted out. And the only reason why I put duct tape here when the wreck happened 3 years ago, and the only reason why it's the same duct tape that's been on, but the only reason why I've got it on here is when the truck bowed out, it's got some plastic clippings in here, kind of like a nut that holds it on. And you can see right here, there's the screw that goes in. I just need to go to an auto parts store and buy the new little nuts that broke off. But I've never had no problems out of that duct tape, so I've just kept it as is. And there's my straps that I've kept where I haul my four-wheeler in it. And same on this side. And it does have a clean title. And then here's the little dent in the front. Other than that, that is all the damage on the outside of the truck, which is really nothing. And it's got a third door here. I can open it. I hadn't cleaned my truck or nothing, but here is the armrest. And see, I have the armrest for it. It's just a little bracket for it, which are right here, a little black thing there. It needs to fit in there, and the bracket broke. I think somebody tried to forcefully pull it off. It was like that when I got it. But everything's electric. Down here, this piece you can probably get in a salvage yard. It broke off, but you can still just kind of get a feel for it. You see the seat moves back, forward, and it's got the tilt side to side. It'll lean all the way back, lean all the way forward. And I like the camo. I put that on my seat. And I also have another brand new one up here. Yeah, it's under my seat down here. And that right there, that's daylight going through. It's got back air vents. It's got all this. Kind of give you a view of the inside of the truck best I can. There's my little kid seat. It has one key for the door, and it has one key for the truck, and it does have a keyless entry. As I'll push it now to lock it, you hear the horn. I also unlock it. Get in. Scoot my seat back a little bit. Here's the CD player. It's also got a cassette player that I use. Everything. It's got 3 plug-ins that all do work. Got an ashtray, of course.
Describing what's going on at Kavanaugh Hyundai this afternoon. 0% financing. And
got 187,000 miles on it.
2013 Hyundai Sonatas and the Elantras. And it's almost like one of those Coke Cheapos work. And very important.
It's a dang good running truck.
Come on out and get in on it this weekend. Kavanaugh Hyundai is the place. Look for the flashing lights. Remember, Hyundai's coming.
As you can hear, it's got nice cold air vent.
That ice cream can take care of that while you're taking care of yourself and your need for a new vehicle. Kavanaugh Hyundai. Right here on Wilkins, behind Kroger in Jonesboro. We're live on 1049 The Fox.
It just says low washer fluid. And that pretty much covers all the bases. Got all these assemblies down here. CD. Light work. And see, this right here, this window right here needs to be replaced. The window motor is out on it, and that's it.